Good Wednesday, everyone. After a stormy Tuesday night, this is Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith with the daily video forecast discussion for severe weather for our area. Started out in Pennsylvania late last evening and then propagated all the way to the New Jersey, New York City metro area and the coast with downed trees and power lines across the region as these thunderstorms made their way to the coast. Watches, warnings, and advisories for today. We have a high rip current risk through this evening from the New York beaches all the way out to Long Island. The rip current risk is high, surf height up to 5 feet, lightning risk is low, and rip currents are powerful channels. Remember, never swim alone, always swim in lifeguarded areas. We have small craft advisories in effect from Sandy Hook to Fire Island Inlet out to 20 nautical miles for southwest winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to 20 knots, seas 3 to 6 feet. And we also have small craft advisories on the New Jersey coastal waters into the Delaware beaches as well for southwest winds at 10 to 20 knots, gust up to 30 knots, seas 3 to 6 feet. For the aviational weather deck today, mostly VFR conditions, maybe some visibilities of 2 to 3 miles still expected to develop later this morning, and then by later this afternoon could begin to see isolated showers and thunderstorms across the region. The highest chances right now look to be around Allentown, Reading, Atlantic City, and Millville, even though there are still those other locations where have a chance of showers and thunderstorms, but the coverage area is much less than it was yesterday. We expect a wind shift to northwesterly winds after midnight, after 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock tonight, expecting to bring in drier air and decreasing the chances for any more of the thunderstorm development severely over the region. Thursday and Friday, a few showers and thunderstorms still around the region. Thursday with locally sub-VFR conditions, otherwise outside of that VFR. And then Saturday and Sunday, a few showers and thunderstorms possible, especially Sunday afternoon and evening, resulting in brief sub-VFR conditions. Right now, outside of Newark, it's 75, dew point 66, humidity 74%, wind southwest at 9, scattered clouds at 17,000 and 25,000 feet. Philadelphia has VFR conditions right now, 74 degrees, dew point uncomfortable 68, humidity 82%. The wind is out of the southwest at 6 miles an hour. A few scattered clouds at 1,700 to 17,000 and broken at 28,000 with VFR conditions right now at the terminals. Morning metro surface chart across the region. Temperatures already rising into the 70s. Dew points already rising in the upper 60s and low 70s with a southwesterly wind. And convection is now off the coast. Morning visible satellite imagery shows the what's left over of the convection that passed off the coast. Lots of sunshine and dry air over the region right now as the frontal boundary is still to our south and west. And the moisture is drying out across the mid-Atlantic, the northern mid-Atlantic states, the New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia metro area, but the old boundary is still to the south across the Tennessee and Mississippi River Valley, and I'm sure that some of this moisture will get into the region during this afternoon as the atmosphere remains moist and somewhat still unstable. Morning surface chart from WeatherRoanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere software shows what's left here of our frontal boundary. It's little bit diffuse here, but still we have this boundary where we're going to have instability across the region during this afternoon with the Cape value still about 1,500 joules per kilogram. So showers and thunderstorms will pop up again across certain regions. Central and southern sections into the Delmarva seem to be the primary threat for today. This frontal boundary will begin to approach the region and pass tonight, shifting our winds, and a drier, colder frontal passage will be moving through the region during the day on Thursday. Pollen levels remain low to medium through Sunday. Grasses, dock, and plantain continue to be the primary pollens. NAMWRF composite reflectivity forecast here across the East Coast as the cold front begrudgingly makes its way towards the region. The best lifting to the north and west and also to the south and east away from the region. But anytime during this afternoon, especially into very late tonight into early tomorrow morning, some showers and thunderstorms could move through the lower Hudson Valley, northwestern New Jersey, and eventually into the Philadelphia metro area and ports to the Delmarva tomorrow morning before that begins to wash out. Then high and mid-level clouds. Once again, a little bit drier air tomorrow as the first front moves through, and then that old boundary remaining to our south with some more convection to our south and west across the region during Thursday night and Friday morning. Most of that should be removed from our region, although central and southern New Jersey could get into some of the showers and thunderstorms again on Thursday night into early Friday morning before a drier forecast comes in for Friday into early Saturday. GFS maps into motion. We'll start things out with our Cold front moving through the region, our deep trough with disturbances in it, making its way to the east coast by Thursday night and Friday. There'll be some more showers and thunderstorms scattered about the region as these disturbances move through the flow. Then high pressure begins to build in, but the frontal boundary still stalled out to our south and east on Thursday afternoon. Still could be some showers and thunderstorms across southern New Jersey into the Delmarva region. High pressure then begins to build in on Friday and Saturday. The old frontal boundary still lies to our south and east. There'll be more introduction of showers early in the period on Saturday, but generally high pressure is in control for the weekend. Again, Sunday, another trough approaching for the region could bring another additional showers and thunderstorms across the isolated regions during the Saturday night and Sunday morning period. And then another front and another trough begins to reload across the southern regions of Canada, and then draws the cold front and disturbances through the region again early next week, with the chance of showers and thunderstorms again populating the grids as we remain on the eastern side, a moist and unstable side of this trough access into early next week. So you enjoy this beautiful day today, and we'll be back in video form bright and early on Thursday morning. For Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, I'm forecaster Robert Smith.